The next category was balances, your balances, and Tim mentioned this a little bit, your debt ratio, and this has actually crept up the list in terms of having more of an impact on your scores than payment history. This used to not bear as much weight in it, and now it does, because lending guidelines have gotten tighter and people are defaulting on loans, walking away from their debts. So your balances are huge. So even if you have a ton of positive credit accounts and you've never been late in anything, how much debt you're carrying versus what's available in your credit is going to have an impact on your score, even if you've never been late. There's two types of debts that we're talking about, two types of loans specifically, revolving debts and installment loans. Revolving accounts, for clarification, revolving accounts are your credit cards. Anything that has a fluctuating balance, or a fluctuating payment, that money will change every single month. You may owe more or less depending on what you borrow. That revolving account, because it has the ability to fluctuate highly and can impact what your minimum payments are, that is going to place more emphasis on your score than an installment loan. An installment loan is something that you pay monthly installments, a fixed monthly installment, for example, a car loan or a mortgage. Those types of things. Because the FICO scoring system understands that your fixed installment loans don't change much, they generally trust that people are going to pay those loans back because they know how much they're going to get paid. You can't borrow against those loans unless it becomes an unsecured revolving account. Therefore, again, just going forward, your revolving account balances place far more emphasis on your score than installment loans. So, if you're looking at your overall portfolio, pay down the balances on your revolving accounts, on your open credit cards. You can have a $500,000 house on your credit report that you bought last year, and the balance can still be listed at $500,000 because so far you've only paid interest. That's not going to impact your scores.